Hi, I'm Miss Dara from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're doing Design with Miss Dara. So today we're talking about the element of art, and the one we're talking about is space. So space is the area where objects exist, so the area surrounding a subject. So some things that you can talk about with space is the distance like between an area or around different items. And so positive space is the space filled by the main item of artwork. So the white area around an object could be, or the dark area around an object can be the positive space, or negative space is made up the space around the positive space. So you could have a white object with black space around it, or vice versa. You could have a black object with white space. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a project with negative space and positive space. So here's my example that I made. And I used a horse, and I just have this cut out of the horse, and then I flipped it so that the positive space is this black horse, and then the negative space around it. So as you see, positive space, negative space. And so I just Zentangled the space around it and in the space here. So there's one example. So to do this, so I'm going to show you with the other one that we have. You have a strip of paper, and then you have a cutout of a butterfly here. And so if you notice, this fits exactly in here. If I could get it straight in there, it would be exact. And so what we're going to do is we're going to glue down on one side our outline here. So just put glue around it. Okay, so I'm going to just put this on the paper. I'm just going to line it up with the corners and the edges to make that fit. Try not to get glue onto your black part of your paper, because everywhere you do, it will show up, as you can see right in here. This is from the glue on the paper. So I did get a little bit on this again, but that's okay. So the other side, you're just going to put some glue on the butterfly. And put it, you're trying to make it match exactly as if you have this folded in half and it just flipped out the other side. So here is my positive space and my butterfly with the negative space around it. So this is a positive, negative space. Then you could just take your Sharpie or a black marker. You could also do this with color if you wanted to do it with color, and just draw in there. And I just kind of create some sections in my butterfly and create some lines in there or dots or different patterns. And so however you want to do your Zentangle. And you can make thick lines or thin lines, however you want to do yours. So I'm excited to see what yours looks like. So as you can see, that's how my Zentangle starts, and it finishes up with all kinds of different patterns. So that's mine. You can also work to create illusions of space. So you can do that by overlapping objects. You can use shading to create an illusion of space. Where your items are placed on your paper. The size of an object, you can use different sizes to create an illusion of space. Value and focus or linear perspective as all illusions of space that you can use. You can also, if you draw something really big, it can make it change the illusion of space on your paper, or make your lines go off your paper. Also, if you make something look like it's in the distance, so it's bigger up close and smaller in the distance, that creates an illusion of space, or darker up close and then lighter farther away, or vice versa, can also make an illusion of space. So if you are interested, there's a lot more to space than we talked about today. So look into that some more and let me know what you guys find out, and show me your projects on READsquared. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.